In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Glorious Model D mouse software. So this is actually quite simple. First, you have to go to Google and type in Glorious Model D mouse software. And then over here, you want to look for this page which says Legacy Software on gloriousgaming.com, and you want to click on their website. And then first, make sure this is the website you are currently on. So look at the link, make sure it's the same. Once you're over here, you want to scroll down, and then this one isn't correct because it says Glorious Core V1 and it says that except for models D. So we're not going to use this one. However, down here it says Model O and Model D wired. It's what we need. So what you're going to do is click over here where it says Model D wired software, click on it, and it will download this for you. As you can see, the Model D zip folder, and then you want to open up your file explorer, go to downloads, and in here is what we're looking for. You want to right click it, press extract all, and then yet again extract. And then in here, if you double click it, you'll see two different things. One is the README document and one is the software. So you want to click README, and over here, as you can see, you will see some information about this very program. What you have to do is, of course, you can read about it if you want to, and then once you're ready, just double click on this, it will open up, and you can install that to your computer. It's very simple. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.